Hey guys, it's the real Mr. Marcel, aka your favorite loan officer, and I just want to tell you thank you for returning to the channel. Thank you for all your comments. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, the real Mr. Marcel, on Facebook, Malcolm Marcel, and I want you guys to understand that the more you like, the more you comment, the more people I'm able to help, and I truly enjoy helping people and giving them this information, because I remember when I was first looking to buy my house, a lot of this information I didn't know, or didn't know what sources to find it. So I'm sharing my information with you guys, so hopefully you like, share, repost it, and let's help more people. That's how the world goes around, right? Each one teach one. So today I'm going to explain what a loan officer is. Yes, I know you guys always hear me say your favorite loan officer, this your loan officer, but you might not understand. So there's two major differences between a loan officer, which I am, and a mortgage banker. All right. Now, a loan officer is someone who has their license. They took a federal test, and they get licensed in different states. Right now, I'm licensed in New York State. So anything in New York State, I can do any kind of loan. I also am licensed in Jersey. So if you are in Jersey and you're like, hey, we need a mortgage, ding, 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 I'm your guy. So what I am is a loan officer at a brokerage, meaning that it's not one bank. I'm not tied to Chase. I'm not tied to Bank of America or anything like that. I work with I think we're about 40 different banks we have about now, maybe 50, that I have access to. So that means if one bank doesn't like your requirements or that has a stricter policy, I can find another bank. So that allows me a major benefit over going to a mortgage banker when they only have one bank. So for example, if you go to Chase, and right now Chase is like, hey, if you don't have a 700 credit score, we can't take your file. If you were working there or bringing your file there, if you don't have a 700 credit score, you're automatically like, oh my God, what am I going to do? Versus me, if you gave me the file and I was like, hey, your score is not a 700, so I'm going to cancel these 5 banks, but I have another 18 banks who we have a chance at looking at your file and taking the loan. You're like, wow, I'm not out of options. You're more ecstatic, you're more excited because you have a chance of getting the house. And this is the whole point. You want someone who's going to be able to show you different avenues and different ways to get to the end goal. Another major difference is, I don't know if this is all loan officers, but I can only speak for myself. I hold my client's hand. Like, we become family. I call you all the time. I'm making sure everything's all right with you, but I want to walk you through the process. I don't want to just do the loan for you. I want you to understand what's going on, why I picked a FHA versus a conventional, why I'm taking you to this insurance broker versus letting you go to Allstate. And not only that, I also deal with other small businesses who do credit repair, who do insurance, who do their attorney, and I make sure that they give you the best price. I pass on my discounts because I've worked with these different entities for a while now. I built up a relationship. So when I say, hey, this is my client, please, they're like my family, I want to make sure you give them the best price. They already marked down their services. So for example, most attorneys might charge you $1,500 to $2,000 to deal with a closing. The attorneys that I work with, they usually mark down their prices to at least $1,000. So just coming to me, you're already saving over $1,000 versus going to somewhere else. And I can do that because I built a relationship with these people, and they understand that, hey, if Malcolm's bringing me this client, he wants me to take care of them. He wants me to make sure they get the best price possible. So that's another major benefit. Lastly, the last thing that I want to make sure you guys understand is that not all mortgage brokers, loan officers, or bankers have your best interest at heart. You want someone who's going to pick up the phone, especially if you're a realtor and you're watching this. You want someone, when you call them, they pick up your phone. They don't try to hide what's going on, because a lot of times, a lot of these loan files, the banks will be like, hey, we need this, we need this, we need this, and you'll think, oh my God, I'm about to close. Why is it taking so long? But banks have different requirements. Each bank asks for different files. They ask for different stuff. So you want someone who's going to be honest with you and let you know what's going on. Especially during this corona times, the policies, all the banks, they started changing their guidelines left and right. Every day was new information coming out. And I was very upfront with the clients that I was working with, whether it's my realtor partners or the clients themselves, and even their family members. Yes, The client's family members called me to ask me what was going on. I was very upfront and honest because my job is to show you the path. You don't have to listen to me, you don't have to take it, but I can only take you to the path that I've known is going to get you to closing. So I pretend I'm in your shoes and what I want. So I'm taking you step by step towards everything, and I'm going to get you to the finish line. It might take a little bit longer than we both hoped for, but I promise you, when I say that I'm going to get you to the finish line, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do everything in my power to get you there because I want to see you close. I want to see you happy. And the best part of it, you don't even pay me. It's 100% free. The bank pays me. Doesn't matter what bank I go to, it's one flat fee, but it doesn't come out from your pocket. So not only are you saving money because I'm going to give you all the discounts that I can, but you're also not paying for the service. 100% free. Versus other banks and stuff like that, they do have built-in point systems where they charge you for it. You're not paying for my service. Alright? So if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, like. Like I said before, the real Mr. Marcel, your favorite loan officers. Thank you guys, and see you next week.